Good morning, Swapna ji and Sanjay ji. Welcome to Rangmanch.tv. So, this is a director cinematographer segment where we try to find out how good the coordination between the two of you is.
Tough.
Okay. So, who would like to go first?
Ladies first.
Okay, Swapna.
Finally, he's acknowledging me as a female and a lady. Very often he forgets that I'm a lady. Please, this has to go into bold letters.
Okay, so his favorite color.
I think it's blue, dark blue that she's wearing right now.
You can correct her.
Yeah.
His favorite movie.
I think it's Shwas.
Would you like to say what hers is?
No. Definitely
मेरी
Shwas.
कौन सी
उनकी
तेरी वाली. You have done की I have.
नहीं मेरी फेवरेट मूवी कौन सी है?
मैंने की.
नहीं
उनकी जनरली नॉर्मली फेवरेट मूवी कौन सी है?
मेरी फेवरेट मूवी
प्यार का पंचनामा.
How mean is that? I've not even seen that film, but I trust him to say something like that.
She will like it.
Okay, I would say Nayak. I would correct it.
अच्छा. The Bengali one.
Yeah, Bengali one. Uttam Kumar.
Favorite actor.
In Hindi, I guess it has to be Amitabh.
Mine. Amir.
Amir Khan. Okay. Mine.
उनका हिमेश रेशमिया.
Yes, one of the favorites.
One thing he hates about shooting.
Shooting late backups, I think. He is very busy. और दूसरा हाँ, very important. अगर उसकी दी हुई requirement नहीं आती है, if the production is little relaxed or something, he hates it. I think he likes to put everybody on their toes.
और उनका what is that thing that she hates about shooting?
Whatever scenes you have asked for it will be done. Don't put any extra scenes in that.
I agree.
If you have given me some kind of work and that I have finished it, then it's okay.
So what happens when an extra scene comes in?
I just lose it. Nahi karti.
Okay, so what's the one thing you say? She says if she's really angry.
Who? She.
Swapna, yes.
She doesn't say anything. उसकी जो looks रहते हैं ऐसे उसके मैं जानता हूँ. वो ज़्यादा बोलती नहीं. उसके वो ऐसे करेगी.
And silence speaks louder than words.
तो लोगों ने समझ जाने का इसका मूड क्या है.
स्वप्ना जी.
संजय बहुत ज्यादा चिढ़ता है तब जो बोलता है वो तो मैं यहाँ नहीं बोल पाऊंगी. Beep. But generally it is like अरे यार. When he gets irritated, it is अरे यार. वो अलग-अलग टोन में होता है ना. Fluctuations है.
His favorite lens is.
Oh, in television we don't really use lenses. So.
We have only one
Zoom lens.
Her signature style.
Signature style. हाँ. Signature style I liked her about is that in the morning जब हम लोग शूट स्टार्ट करते हैं तो मैंने कभी नहीं सुनी एक जो आरती होती है गणपति. I have never heard. So I have heard from her mouth and I have by heart it. So whenever she is shooting, now I was doing some movie after I think so 7-8 years after, but I still remember that aarti because in that big span I never heard it again. So जब भी ये होती है तो एक आरती होती है गणपति की छोटी सी.
Start with that the day.
तो वो मुझे अभी भी कभी भी शूट करते हैं तो मैं अभी बहुत सालों बाद तो that आंगिकम तो I never heard it and still I remember it.
Are you superstitious?
Not superstitious. I am spiritual.
Which cell phone model does he use?
Let me find out what is. I know he has one BlackBerry because he's on my BlackBerry. He has two phones. That's what I know. और कितने हैं पता नहीं. दो फोन है, एक BlackBerry है, दूसरा नहीं पता मुझे.
और दोनों नंबर उसके पास है.
नंबर है मेरे पास.
उनका फोन का मॉडल
ब्लैकबेरी है और उसका घर का नंबर मेरे पास रिटर्न है बट मेरे को याद है बाय हार्ट याद है।
His worst habit.
Not worst, I would say. It's quite cute. Initially, I used to get a little daunted by the when he loses temper. So I used to शुरू में मुझे थोड़ा डर लगता था, बट मुझे मैं कोने में जाके ऐसे ऐसे हंसती हूँ जब ये चिढ़ता है।
What about Swapna?
नो वो हैंडल हो एक ऐसे कुछ अच्छा ये करो तो
हैंडल हो जाता है।
फेवरेट अम्मा बोल दो तो
He calls me अम्मा।
The time when both of you didn't agree on a thing.
Okay, I remember we were shooting a pilot for Sabina. I don't even know he remembers. एक शॉट था, तो वो नीचे झुक के पैर छूने वाला, तो मैंने कहा मुझे वो चाहिए, और उसने कहा इसकी जरूरत नहीं है, तो टाइम वेस्ट कर रही है। टेरेस पे बहुत साल हो गए, 8-9 साल पहले, but finally he agreed. हाँ, मतलब with groans and grunts, but he shot it.
So then what happens when both of you have not agreed on a thing? Then whose will finally prevails? Or how do you communicate with each other?
See, basically I am a cameraman, so we मतलब some side of there are some things we go by shots and all, but if a director she can convince me to see this shot is very important, so you have to take it and where it will be going. So then of course I can't say no, and I will never say no.
No, one thing which I like working with Sanjay the best, what happens is when I work with the other cameraman, for some reason, maybe because of my seniority or because of my size or whatever, they just get scared and they never give me any suggestions. मैं जो बोलती हूँ वो कर लेते हैं. With Sanjay, he comes to me and says, you know, boss, ये तो गलत कर रही है, ये मत कर, ये अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, and let's do it this way. And I listen to him because he is amazing technician. You know, there's no doubt he's the best technician we have. So for me, it becomes a learning process when I'm working with him. So we fight a lot, we argue a lot. A third person will never find out that we've had arguments or we've been fighting. They'll never find out. You know? Whatever happens is between us, and it's all on creative level. After like 10 minutes, we've forgotten what we argued on.
So what is it about him that makes you work as a combination or click as a combination?
He's one of the not one of the few. I think he's the only cameraman जहाँ पे मैंने एक चीज़ सीखी कि before the artist come in, before the lines are said, आप lighting देखोगे तो आप scene का mood समझ जाओगे. ये romantic है, ये sad है, ये खुशी वाला है, क्या है? You can make out from the lighting. He's the only cameraman who can do that. तो मेरे लिए काम बहुत आसान हो जाता है, मेरा आधा काम वो कर देता है. So हमेशा कहीं भी जब अपना काम कम हो जाए, उन लोगों के साथ काम करने में मजा आता है. So with him he understands script very beautifully, which people, no, most of the cameramen they don't get into it. आप shot बोलो, हम lighting कर देंगे, ये कर देंगे. But he will know the nuance of each and every line. He follows each and every line, and he feels, you know, he feels it and then does the lighting, which is very different.
तो आप स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते हो before?
Of course. Most probably I don't. If I'm doing a new show, then I work for a very little span, because in serials you get time for at least for just 25-30 episodes first, whatever you want to set the show. After that, when the show is on air, then you can't show your creativity and everything. So I preferably work for first 30 episodes. So that's my selfishness, because I can show my best in that. So and there are only few directors who can
gel with
them. Like Swapna, then Siddharth Singh, Goldie. There are very few directors. Like now Pradeep is there, Wo Balika is there. Then again a lady, Sangeeta Rao.
Yeah,
she is very nice. Again, see, I am basically, जो मेरी बात सुनता है ना, वो
इसमें बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं.
संगीता. Then I am very comfortable with, because मैं पूरा then I go into it.